Hey everyone, check out the Mini Chainsaw Cordless 6-inch by GISTAR, a powerful and compact tool for all your wood cutting needs. This upgraded model features a stronger motor, high-capacity battery, and an easy-to-use oil reservoir for smooth operation. Safety is a priority with a lock to prevent accidental starts, over-temperature protection, splash guard, and included goggles. Weighing only 3.3 pounds with battery, it's lightweight and perfect for both beginners and pros. With 2 long-lasting batteries and replacement chains, you can work continuously without interruption. The package also includes gloves, a screwdriver, a sharpening file, a brush, and a handy toolbox for complete convenience. Whether pruning branches or tackling small logging jobs, this electric chainsaw boosts efficiency while keeping you safe and comfortable. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.